How to remove table in Word document. If you select all the table along with the text like this and press delete button on your keyboard, the table text will delete but not the table. So to delete the table, there are 5 easy methods. In the first method, you can click on the table here on the box to select the entire table. You will see here table layout tab. Click on the table layout and at the left hand side you will see here the option of delete. Click on the drop down and then select the option delete table to delete the table. In the second method, you can click on this small box and then press backspace button on your keyboard to delete the table. In the third method, again you can click on this small box to select the table, right click, and now you will see the option of delete table. After clicking on this option, the table will be deleted. Next, you can just select one line above the table like this and then select the table along with that line and press delete button on your keyboard to delete the table. You can also select the table like this and one line below the table and then press delete button on your keyboard to delete the table. At last, you can also select the table with the line and press backspace button on your keyboard to delete the table. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about tables in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.